Hi, this is Darren Johnson, a creator of the Knowledge is Power Plan, and I wanted to shoot a quick video to talk to you about stress in your life and how you can empower yourself to make certain decisions that will alleviate a great source of problems in your life. Now, I'm sitting in my parking lot. I just left the doctor's office, and a big part of the reason I went was because I'm having constant headaches and my blood pressure is high. And I believe that to be a result of the stress in my life, which is 90% having to do with finance and paying bills and having enough money to do the things that I want to do in life and having the time to do those things. As you know from my previous videos, I do ride sharing and I'm also working as a social worker. So those are two potentially high stress jobs. Hopefully you can hear me, the audio's clear enough. But yeah, those are two high stress jobs that I have. And as a result of that, I can feel my health deteriorating because I'm not doing enough for myself. And the reason I'm telling you this is because this is why I searched online to make money. And this is exactly why I came up with this Knowledge is Power plan. Because to live in a constant state of stress and aggravation is not healthy for anybody. And so I really feel like I'm at a point in my life where I have to make changes, otherwise this is only going to get worse. And if you have an actionable plan in place, something that you can do that is going to yield you the kind of results that are necessary to turn this whole situation around, then it's worth it in the short term to sacrifice and go through whatever pain and discomfort you have to go through to get to that point, because time moves so fast. And if you're consistent with something, in 6 months, a year, 2 years, you're going to look up and be in a totally different situation, and then everything is going to be back on track the way it's supposed to be. So I'm saying this as a message of encouragement for you. If you are the type of person that has a lot of stress in their life, or feels like their back is against the wall, or like your job is not treating you right, or you feel like you don't have enough money to make ends meet, or you're worried about how you're going to pay for this or pay for that, or you have upcoming expenses, or maybe you just want to take a trip or have a day to yourself, a self-care day, but you don't feel like you have the finances necessary to make that happen. Well, this is an opportunity for you to invest in yourself and invest in, your ability to create something that seem out of the box. And in so doing, turn your situation around. I mean, this isn't something that's going to fix itself. And chances are, if you're working a job and you're still having these stressors, your job isn't the answer, because it's got you in this perpetual state of stress. And maybe you're making just enough to make ends meet, but that's not enough to make things happen for yourself. So the message that I have for you is continue. I'm sorry, I was distracted by somebody walking by a car. But anyway, the message that I have for you is get a plan and stay true to that plan and work that plan every single day, even if you don't feel like you want to at least do one thing to change your situation, to make your situation better. Because in the end of the day, that is going to be your solution to your problem. And it may take a while to get to that solution, but it's worth it, and it's worth the journey once you look up and you find that a lot of the things that maybe you were stressed out over for years are now gone, or you have at least a better sense of control over how to fix those problems in your life. And for most of us, a lot of our problems can be, rooted in finance or lack of finance. And so, chances are, if you're looking at this video, you've at least gone on the internet and looked for a solution to your financial problems, or at least an opportunity to better your financial situation. And so that's why I'm shooting this video for you, because I want you to know that I have a plan and that I'm working that plan. And I'm actually taking this journey with you, so I can't sit here and tell you that my plan has made me a millionaire, because I'm in the initial stages of working my very own plan. And I have other videos on my website that show you my proof and my plan, and you can see that I'm still running the plan, and it's actually working. But the idea is to continue to move forward in that plan, and that's what I encourage you to do. And whether you decide to follow me, or whether you decide to use my plan, or whether you decide to build your own plan or follow someone else, it doesn't matter. Just have a plan. Have something that you're going to do that's going to solve your problems. And it may cause you to step out of your comfort zone. It may cause you to have to do some things you're not accustomed to doing. And it may cause you to do some extra things on top of what you're already putting out. And you may feel like you don't have the energy or the motivation to do those extra things because you're already taxed doing what you're doing now. But just keep your eye on the prize and remember that at the end of the tunnel, there's that light that's going to free you. And so if you know that that's the light that's going to free you, then you've got to push forward for yourself to change your situation. And so that's my message to you today, is to move forward and keep moving forward and don't give up. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, please feel free to go to my website, knowledgeispowerplan.com. Watch my videos, see how I'm running my own plan, see where I'm progressing in my plan, and ask me some questions about, what you can do, how you can move forward in your plan, and if my plan will work for you. Okay, it's working for me. I'm more than happy to share it with you. I teach a 30-minute class on my website that highlights my plan and goes into great detail. And this is definitely something that anyone can do. This isn't something that you have to be a guru to do. This isn't something that's out of your reach. This is something that the everyday average person can do to better their situation if they're willing to invest their own time and their own energies into their own efforts, okay? And I'm more than willing to help you along the way. Don't let lack of knowledge be the reason that you don't get yourself out of your situation. Just reach out for that help. I'm here to give you that help. My name is Darren Johnson, and this is my message for you for today. And I look forward to having an opportunity to work with you and help you fix your situation the way that I'm working to fix my situation. Have a great day.